Welcome to part 4 in our session on the 75-day preparation for the millennium. Now, there are many Christians who have never heard of this event. Fortunately, the book of Daniel provides us scriptural background for this 75-day interval between the end of the 7-year tribulation and the beginning of the millennium. After the tribulation ends, there is considerable work to be done by the Lord as He prepares us for the millennium. Let's look at how we derive this conclusion. In Daniel chapter 12, verse 11 and 12, we find the clues to this event. From the time the daily sacrifice is taken away from the Jews and the horrible thing is set up, talking about the Antichrist to be worshipped, there will be 1290 days. And blessed are those who wait and remain until the 1335th day. Daniel 9:24-27 describes the time frame for the 7-year tribulation. These 84 months of time are divided into 2 halves of 1260 days each. Christ's second coming will occur at the end of the second set of 1260 days. Then Daniel speaks of something being accomplished at the end of 1290 days. That's an extra 30 days beyond his second coming. Now, it's safe to conclude that this 30-day period relates to the building of the millennial temple and the judgment of the nations. We know that Ezekiel chapters 40 and 48 that the Lord will establish a temple during the millennium. Thus, the 30-day period will be the time in which the millennial temple will be set up and prepared for use. Then comes the point of the 1335 days. Now, this means we need to include an additional 45 days beyond the 30-day period, giving us a total of 75 days. Evidently, the 75-day interval is a time of preparation for the Lord's earthly kingdom. Because so much of the globe will have been destroyed during the judgments of the tribulation, it is not at all surprising that our Lord will take some time to renovate His creation in preparation for the millennial kingdom. Okay, now before we move on to our next session, the millennium begins. Are there any questions?